In this video, I'm going to explain attention mechanism concept in artificial intelligence in as simple words as possible. When you are reading a page in a book, you only focus on the word you are reading and you don't care about the rest of the words on that page. You move from word to word, or in other words, you give attention to only one word at a time on that page, and then you read the next word and then next, and so on. This same natural process is implemented in AI and is called as attention mechanism. In AI, we have a model which takes some input, processes it, and generates an output. During the processing, the model encodes the input and then decodes it and then gives us the output. During this encoding, decoding, all the magic happens. For example, on your screen, you can see that there is an example where we are asking the model to explain a line of code in English. And then we give it the following input in a for loop for n in range 1 to 10. And then we are asking it to convert this line of code in plain English. And we are expecting the output to be like this line of code appears to be Python and so on. Now, how does it do it with the help of attention mechanism? Let's have a look at. Now, in our input, the model is paying attention to one word at a time, just like humans do. Model uses attention mechanism to place different focus on different words by assigning each word with a score. So in our example, for the for keyword, there will be a different score. Then for the n, there will be a different score because n is just a variable and it could be anything. But for the for keyword, it has to be there because if we don't specify the for, then the language won't understand that it is for the for loop. And also that n has to come after the for keyword. So this is the relationship between this for and n. This relationship and this score of that word is stored in the hidden state. Now, if you look at it in the encoding stage, we the model is going from word to word. First it read forward, then it read n, then in, and then range. And then it is assigning a score to each word. Plus it is also storing the relationship between these words with the score in the hidden state. Okay, then it aggregates all of these hidden states into something called as context vector, which contains the score of all the words, of course, the words themselves, and also what is the relationship between them. Then from this context vector, it is passed to the decoder, where decoder knows that, okay, which words have the highest score, they should be given more attention, and then what is the relationship between these words. And decoder has all the data set on the basis of it just simply go in and translate it into the output as per our direction. And then as you can see that it received the input in the for loop in the coding style, and then it translated it into the English language. So this is pretty much the high level description of what attention mechanism is. There is there are a lot of things which I have skipped just to make it easy and simple. Thanks for watching and listening.